Hi everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Used Cars. Today I just got done driving. I'm going to be reviewing this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan RT for you. So here we go. Driving down the road, didn't notice any issues. Suspension felt good, sounded good, even went over the railroad grade. Brakes felt good as well. Drivability really well. It's got the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Overall good performance there. This being an RT is going to be a top trim level for the Grand Caravan here. So got a lot of options here, which I'll show you. You got remote controlled mirrors, and they're got the defroster option on them too. Power and automatic windows in the front, power windows in the rear, and even power windows in the third row there that pop out. Does have automatic headlights, has hands-free connectivity, so you can talk through this car's audio system on your cell phone. Also has cruise control here on the steering wheel, and then the back side of the steering wheels on both sides there are going to be audio controls for the radio. Looking at the center console here, it has 108,853 miles as of the shooting of this video. No warning lights or anything like that, as you can see. Center shifter here. As you get down into the bottom, you can individually select gears. Great if you're in the mountains. Does have the 6.5-inch touchscreen radio with navigation and satellite radio. Coming down here, does have 3 zones of controlling here, so you can control the driver, the passenger, and the rear compartment all independently of one another, and they're all automatic. You can control the rear from up here or back in the back, which I'll show you. Pretty clean inside. Got a couple beverage holders. Got 2 auxiliary powers down there. Change drawer here. This is a one owner. Recently traded this in. Fresh piece. Does score really well. There's no any incident of any damage on accidents or anything like that. No major accidents. Does have power sliding doors. Does have power liftgate in the back, which is really great. If you've got groceries in your hands, you just pop it open, and then you can also turn off that stuff, so in case you don't want the kids and stuff messing with it. So, all right, let's check out the outside. So exterior here, this is kind of the flame red color. In an RT, you're going to get painted inserts around the front grille here. Do have fog lamps down here. Front end looks really good. I don't see any defects body damage wise or anything like that. Does have nice clear front windshield, as you can see there. Does have alloy wheels down here, wrapped in Continental tires. I did check the date on the tires. They are not original tires. Still have a decent amount of tread on them. Driver's side here, there is a couple scratches I saw, could possibly be even buffed out here. Just minor scratches I saw on this side. 4-wheel disc brakes on the RTs. Coming to the rear, a couple more of those scratches. Again, possibly could even be buffed out there. Again, power rear liftgate. This does have the stow and go seating, so you'll get flat seats that'll fold into the ground from the back row to the center row. So you get a really big cargo space in here. It's patented design that Chrysler's had for years. You can actually fit a 4x8 sheet of lumber in here. That power gate is super nice. Notice again, this is the RT, so you get a lot of options in it. One of them is the backup sensors. You can see the little dimples in the bumper there. Those are going to warn you if something's behind you, which is really nice. There is a little bit of body damage on this side of the vehicle here. I'll point out, nothing that's keeping anything from working. More of an eyesore than anything. But overall, really fairly clean for the year and for the miles. Show you in the back seat here. Again, power doors back here, leather seats. They're actually heated back here as well as the 2 front seats. And you have controls right here for your heating and air conditioning. For more information for current pricing, availability, I'll post a link right below for that. Also, as always, financing is available. We have a team here that has a lot of connections with the banks to get you best rate and term based on your credit history. And also, trades are definitely welcome, and you can not only fill the finance application out right from home, you can actually fill out your trade valuation right from home. So you can get a lot of the things done right from your house, which is super nice, super convenient. And this review should assist you on deciding if this is the right van for you. It's a great price on this right now. And as always, we appreciate you watching, and we welcome you into the store, and come take this one or any of our vehicles for a test drive and see if they're right for you. Thanks for watching.